Hi guys, welcome back to Landro Game again. Today, I will teach you about Unity variable. Variable is the most common to learn the basic of Unity scripting. With variable, you can manipulate player health, playing speed, loading time, score value, etc. There are several variable types: integer, string, boolean, and so many others variable. Variable is kinda container that contain a value. To make Unity variable, you only need to declare the type. Next, you name the variable, then input the variable value. Let's make integer variable. You can name it whatever you want, except don't start it with symbol. Because this variable is integer, you can add some integer value to this variable. Let's try another one. If you want to make string variable, don't forget to add quote mark to make string value. If you forget add quote mark, the program will return error. Yep, it's easy, right? Now, create boolean variable. Boolean value only contain either true or false value. Maybe it's hard to understand for beginner, but really, it's helpful for game making. There are many other variable type. You can search it on other site and try it by yourself. You can also make your variable public, so you can edit your variable directly from inspector. You can make default value with adding some value into it. So, the value will automatically added when you attach your script component. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you enjoy learn this tutorial script serial, you can subscribe to this channel. Comment and like too if you want to. See you next time.